Let's take your visuals to the next level through creative trends and techniques. Change clothes instantly. Awesome.
So cool.
Love this effect.
I've got to learn how to do this.
Okay, let's do this. First things first, for this to work, we've got to keep that phone still. Set up a tripod or a phone stand of some kind. Now, shoot 2 scenes mimicking the same action. The first video ends with your hand ready to take off the article of clothing. Start the second video in the new attire, while holding the first attire to your chest. You can create a unique moving effect by shooting your subject walking on a treadmill, just like this.
Awesome. Then what?
Head to the TikTok tools and find Adjust Clips. This is where the magic happens. Trim the video so the last frame of A is as similar as possible to the first frame of B.
Wow.
That's awesome!
I'm doing this tomorrow.
That's the spirit. You'll be mastering this in no time.